In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make weekly salary of employees on Xero Australia. 25. We'll walk through setting up a weekly pay calendar, assigning employees to it, configuring each employee's pay template, and connecting single-touch payroll with the Australian Taxation Office, so your pay runs are compliant and ready to lodge. First, let's set up your weekly pay calendar. In Xero, go to Payroll, then Payroll Settings, and open the Pay Frequencies tab. Click Add, choose Weekly. Give the calendar a clear name your team will recognize and enter the start date for the first pay period and the first payment date. The start date is when the work week begins, while the payment date is when money actually leaves your bank. Choose dates that match your operations and banking cutoffs. When you're happy, click Add. This calendar drives your pay run schedule and leave accrual calculations. So getting the dates right now saves headaches later. Next, assign employees to that weekly calendar. Head to Payroll, then Employees, open an employee's profile and select employment information. Under Pay Frequency, pick the new weekly option and save. Repeat this for each employee who will be paid weekly. While you're here, make sure their standard hours align with what you intend to pay each week, as these feed into leave accruals and any timesheet approvals you may use. Now configure each employee's pay template so Xero knows how to calculate their pay. Open the employee's record and go to the pay template tab. Add an earnings line for ordinary hours or whatever you call standard time. If the employee is salaried, enter their annual salary and weekly hours. Xero will automatically prorate it to a weekly amount. If they're paid hourly, enter the hourly rate and the expected hours per week. Double check their bank details so payments land correctly, confirm their TFN declaration settings, and verify superannuation fund and membership details match what the fund has on file. If you use allowances, deductions, or overtime, include those existing pay items here so they calculate each week. Accuracy in the pay template reduces manual edits during pay runs. Finally, connect single-touch payroll. Go to Payroll, then single-touch payroll, and follow the prompts to opt in. You'll be asked to authorize Xero with the ATO by providing your software ID over the phone. Only an authorized person should make this call. Ensure your business details in Xero match ATO records so the connection is approved smoothly. Once authorized, you'll see the status in Xero, and each weekly pay run will be ready for STP submission. With these steps complete, your weekly payroll in Xero Australia is set up, aligned to your schedule, and compliant.